Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and join a private server in Roblox on console, PS4, PS5, Xbox Series. So if you're trying to go to a game on your PlayStation, you're going to see there's no option to create a private server. What you actually need to do is go on over to your phone or the computer and sign in with the same Roblox profile. So you can see I'm signed in, and now what I want to do is go to the home screen and go to the game that I want to create a new private server in, and some of these servers actually do require some payment, so we can find some that are free. But if we go to the game, just under it you can go to servers, so you can see it, and then here is the option for create private server, and this one says the price is free, so we can just go to this, and it looks like we have to actually buy it right here. So let's type in a name and then go to buy now, and then we can go to not now, and boom, a private server has been created. So we can just join it right here. So we can go over to our PlayStation or Xbox, and we should be able to see that on there now. So very easy to create a private server. You can do this on your phone or the PC, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.